The Regional Committee for West Jaintia Hills District, headed by Urban Affairs Minister Ngau Bahalang Dhar, held its first sitting on October 6. Informing this on Wednesday, Home Minister Lakimin Rimboy said the committee has discussed issues related to the Block 1 area and decided to collect data and information. It will take some time, but the process is on. He also said the committee will see that the border issue is resolved, taking into consideration the concerns of the border people.
Leaders have a formal meeting amongst the member on the 6th of this month. So after that, then it is not very easy to move forward again. We have to collect all data, information, this and that. So it will take some time, but the process is on. It is not the question of subcommittee, it's a question of that to take a thing forward. So the committee is there, but they will do anything to see that the border dispute is resolved, taking consideration the concern of the border people.